Today, the Solana share price is at $102.26, and it has a market capitalization of $34.05 billion and a market share of 1.76%. During the last 24 hours, the price of SOL has risen by 1.52%. On November 6, 2021, Solana was trading at an all-time high of $259.52 per share. Since its ADH, the price has dropped to $76.05, which is a cycle low. Since the last cycle low, the SOL price has risen to a high of $142.67 per share. The current Solana price forecast attitude is pessimistic. Out of a maximum supply of 500.00 MSOL, the current circulating supply of Solana is 332.98%. Solana is now rated first in the proof-of-stake sector and second in the Solana Network sector in terms of market capitalization. As of March 24, 2020, the Solana IEO token price was 22 cents. Over the last 6 months, the price of SOL has climbed 464.82 times versus the US dollar, 20.50 times against Ethereum, and 74.63 times against Bitcoin since then. In the previous month, the US dollar price of Solana has climbed by 15.61%. This month, SOL has gained 5.91% versus Ethereum and 16.88% versus Bitcoin. As of this writing, Solana's value is predicted to decrease -2.95% and reach $99.26 by April 21, 2022. The Fear and Greed Index is now indicating fear, which is in line with our technical indications. Over the previous 30 days, Solana has 57% green days and 13.33% price volatility. According to our Solana projection, the current price of Solana is unfavorable. Because of this, Solana's pivot point today is worth $101.46, which means support is at $100.06, $98.73, and the strongest level is at $97.33. In the same way, the resistance levels for Solana are $102, $88, and $105, respectively. For the last 3 days, Solana has been trading between the 20-day EMA $108 and the 50-day SMA $100, but this narrow trading range is unlikely to last. Bullish momentum might take up if bears continue to push the price lower and lower. When this happens, the Solist pair's value might fall as low as $86. RSI is in the negative zone and the 20-day EMA is downsloping, indicating an advantage for sellers. Assuming, however, that prices bounce off of the 50-day simple moving average, bulls will attempt to take this pair above its 20-day exponential moving average. A victory for them would signal the end of the correction. Once it hits $122 and then the 200-day SMA, $148, the pair has a good chance of making a run for it. The SOL markets traders use a multitude of methods to attempt to predict where it will go next. Indicators and chart patterns are the two broad categories into which these tools fall. Trades also aim to find critical support and resistance levels, which might indicate when a downturn is likely to slow down, and when an uptrend is likely to halt.
Let's spark a light and see where it leads. Just you and me, hiding behind the curtain. A world so uncertain. Come and see. sensation.